como que me parece que tú tienes razón.
Good morning. We are going to Jarabacoa today. We don't really have a plan. We're just going in that direction. It is a beautiful green lush town in the middle of the country. Last time we were there we had lunch. You can have lunch on the mountain. I think there are rivers, right? People go like kayaking and... Why are you laughing?
I don't know if they go kayaking or not. I just remember
They do. ¿Tú no dices que hay un río y la gente van como en un bote?
Sí. Eso es canoeing. Kayak.
Yeah, kayak. Eso fue lo que dije.
Sí.
Kayak. I can't wait to see what we can get into while we're there. Are you flying your drone?
Let's go.
Why are you so high energy? Bring it down a notch.
Woo!
So we have just arrived where we're gonna have lunch at Corazon de Jesus. They're known for their ribs. I'm gonna see what else is on the menu though, because y'all know I'm trying to be meat free. Take two. I'm here with Gato again. Hi.
Hi.
We are attempting to fly our drone. Oh, speaking of which.
Aquí se ve mejor, ¿viste?
Those aren't wood grilled. No, it is wood. They slow roast them for all you meat eaters. So we're gonna go upstairs and find a seat so he can record us, and I want to show you guys the restaurant. This entire place is absolutely beautiful. Let's see what else they have on the menu. Besides ribs. They're known for ribs, but if you come to the islands, there's so many root vegetables that you can get anywhere you go. We're trying to find a seat that's super close to the outskirts so we can bring the drone down. So we'll see if we can do that. This view is absolutely amazing. Wow, look at this. I can hear the drone. Oh, there it is. I think one of the most challenging things when you're on vacation and you like to eat leftovers, they just don't get eaten because you want to eat somewhere new every time you eat. So team no leftovers. We're about to sit down and order.
Sí, para allá sí, sí. Esa torre. Sí, está cerca.
One page for meat, veggies, and then one,
Mira, quítale eso, mira. Que cogió una vez ahí.
2.5 pages for alcohol. It's the Dominican way. What I got to eat was, they say batata, in Cuba we say boniato, and it's like a root vegetable. It's sweet. It's almost like a white sweet potato, but it's a little bit firmer. It's still really soft though, but you can fry it and it doesn't fall apart. And I also got like a potato salad with carrots in it. It was actually really, really good. Now we're gonna go in search of this famous ice cream. Hopefully they have some sort of a sorbet that your girl can eat. Do you think they'll have like a sorbet at the ice cream area? Something non-dairy.
Vamos a ver para los tíos.
Va fracasando. Hasta yo me caigo yo.
Y después si comes te mata. Una de las
Things you do for the perfect shot. I'm speechless. Look at this place. Wow. It is absolutely a gorgeous show of craftsmanship. It's all wood and it looks like a cabin style home. Check the thermometer. Can you imagine having a home like this with this kind of view? Whew. And ice cream bound once again.
Por eso era que decía que doblar allí, Mario.
Finally here at these ice creams, let's see what the big deal is.
Como que me parece que tú tienes razón. Oh, sorry. I see.
So it's actually really great. This one is chinola and it's non-dairy, so perfect. This is coconut and it tastes way better and it does have dairy, of course. Cheers. This is the place right behind it. I like coming to non-touristy destinations or little hole in the walls like this because you get a feel for something somebody's grandma makes at home and they open a little shop and they start selling it. I love that kind of stuff.
Smile.
We're gonna horseback ride. We just found these horses by the river, so all these little kids are trying to get me to get on their horse so they can make money from me getting on their horse. So this is so fun. Horseback riding. Look at how beautiful this baby is. What a beautiful baby. So, and we're gonna go across the river. It's gonna be a 20-minute ride. And are you gonna try to follow me on the drone?
I'll try.
Okay.
See you when you get back. How was it, babe?
It was really nice. Alright, so we are back at Cato's apartment and we just ordered some food. We're gonna go hang out upstairs and grab some dinner. My battery's almost dying, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're going to CAYO ARENA, which is a cay in the middle of the ocean. It's gonna be awesome.